one short video for the C63 engine rebuild. The engine is inside, transmission, but I don't have the camshafts and the hydraulic lifters. So the plan is now, why I covered the engine. I covered the engine because the car will gonna push it outside to don't be on the jack for another 1 week, 5 days or 1 week until it comes the camshafts. So now everything is nice and clean. When we're gonna put it outside, all these clean things will gonna come dusty and we have to clean it again. At least we cover the engine to don't come dusty the engine and don't make the job twice. So we're gonna just put the front bumper. The damper pull is still the original one, it's not the wasted, because I need for the 40 degrees mark as I said before. So now front bumper, wheels, pushing the car outside. That's it. That's the update for the C63 engine rebuild with a stage 3 supercharger and πίσω heroes. Thank you very much. The next video is gonna be with the camshafts and the rest of the things to put back again together.